The stock market is often presented as a game of prediction, where one needs to figure out whether a company will ultimately succeed. At the same time, your friends and family will tell you that it is as unpredictable as a game of chess. While playing chess, evaluating your available options before reacting to your opponent's move is essential. Similarly, the Dozen Diamonds app helps you react appropriately to every price movement. One can lose majority of your pieces in chess and still win the game. Likewise, your investments can look lossy on a given day, but with the right investment strategies like the stressless trading method in the Dozen Diamonds app, you can still make a profit before you exit. Ultimately, to win a game of chess, a minimum firepower is always necessary. The Dozen Diamonds app makes sure you hold on to some cash and always have a plan to recover from any lossy investment. In chess, the end game does not depend on a particular opening, as long as you have a decent initial plan. The Dozen Diamonds app helps you build that initial plan for investing in any stock. Thus, the stock market is navigable just like chess, by making smart moves and winning with the Dozen Diamonds app without predicting how the game is going to end. The Dozen Diamonds app helps you make smart investments in an unpredictable market. Try the Dozen Diamonds app for healthy and happy investing.